Hi guys, this is Ala and welcome back to my channel. Today we will proceed with another beautiful bookmark in watercolors where we will be painting blooming flowers. For this we will need watercolor paper, split it into 6 sides, and we will get this side. Then we will need some paintbrushes, watercolor. I will be using my 36 pens watercolor white nights. And if considering the colors that we will need only 2 colors. I will be using quinacridone rose, the color that I use now for the flowers, and the green color for the stem. I have different colors on my palette from my previous videos that I have already uploaded, and this is why you see so many colors. And maybe later on the details I will add some carmine color too. How we paint the petals on these flowers. Imagine that we have hearts, and we have 3 hearts that are connected together, and we create these beautiful petals. So as you see, I paint like 3 small hearts, one close to another. Especially for you, I zoomed this video that you can watch closer how I do it. So imagine that I paint like small heart, another small heart, and the third small heart. And in this way we create a beautiful petal of the flower. The idea is that by the end we get a round flower, and this is why now even if I start from the middle, then you will see that I will paint these flowers all around to recreate the circled form. And later on I will add small details. Pay attention that the intensity of the color of my quinacridone rose color is different on each petal. Somewhere I use more water, somewhere I use more color. The size of the paintbrush that I use, it is number 4 Nova Synthetics by Da Vinci. If you have any smaller paintbrush, it will work even better. But also here is a trick that if you want to control more the water on your paintbrush, what you can do, you can take a tissue and remove slightly the excess of water on the paintbrush. In this way it will be easier for you to paint these smaller details on the flower. As I mentioned earlier, I go around with my petals to recreate the circle, mainly because it is easier to understand how much I have to do this circle and to have a circled form and not another form that it is not wanted by the end of this work. Pay also attention that part of the petals that have 6 petals in this, I also use petals with less small petals, like for example only 1 heart or only 2 hearts, depending on the space I have on my paper. I use one or another size. I zoomed out the work that you can see how it turned out this circled form. And now with carmine color, but you also can use the same quinacridone color with more color and less water, I add small details. I don't add the details on each petals. I only maximize the catching up attention to some specific petals, not on all the flower. And as well, I create this visual interesting way that some of the petals are flying away from the main flowers. I'm back to the main flower where I add more details with the carmine color. In this way I create more details and an interesting catching up attention part for the viewer who will watch this bookmark. Right now it came to my mind an idea to run a giveaway, and all of you who have painted with me now this beautiful bookmark or any of the previous two bookmarks from my previous two videos on my channel, if you tag me on Instagram with the result, each of you will receive a link from a full class from my Patreon classes on how to paint hydrangea. So just let me know, I will be super happy to share it with you. The flower is painted, and let's proceed with the stem. For the stem, I use the green color from my palette. If you want, you can mix the blue and yellow color as you wish. If you want, you can take any green color that you have. And I make an interesting as well leaf for this stem. We came to the end of this work. I hope you enjoyed painting with me. If you are painting any of the other bookmarks as well, don't forget about the giveaway that I'm running out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, share it with beloved ones who like to paint too. Leave some comments if you have questions, and as well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and till the next time, and don't forget about the giveaway. Bye bye.